sip and serve with Russell's.
Today, we're making a colorful and flavorful veggie fried rice. Simple, comforting, and perfect for any meal. To make this dish, you'll need green peas, chopped onions, spring onions, pineapple, carrots, green beans, cooked rice, cooking oil, chopped garlic, margarine, sugar, salt, and parsley leaves. Start by heating a pan on medium heat and adding a spoon of margarine. Let it melt completely and coat the pan evenly. Once the margarine is hot, add finely chopped garlic and sauté until it releases a nice aroma. Make sure not to burn it. Next, add the green peas and give them a quick stir. Let them cook slightly before adding the rest of the vegetables. Now add chopped carrots, sliced onions, raisins, and green beans. Mix everything together well, allowing the vegetables to soften while still keeping a bit of crunch. Season the mixture with a pinch of salt and just a little sugar to balance the flavors. Stir well so everything is evenly seasoned. Now it's time to add the cooked rice. Add it gently and mix carefully, lifting and folding the rice so the grains stay separate and fluffy. Once done, turn off the heat and transfer the fried rice into a bowl. Press it lightly to shape it neatly. Place a plate on top, flip it over, and lift the bowl to reveal a beautifully shaped mound of veggie fried rice. Arrange the plate nicely for a clean and appetizing look. And there you have it. A perfectly made veggie fried rice, colorful, aromatic, and ready to serve.